All right, I'm calling it right now. Once people see what I'm about to do to this G-Body pillow seat, classic interiors will never be looked at the same. You ever notice how a car can look perfect on the outside? Paint shining, rims clean, engine sounding right, but the second you open that door, it kills the whole vibe. And it don't matter how much money you got in it. You could have 10, 15, 20,000 under the hood, fresh paint, brand new wheels, but that interior, faded, sagging, worn out, this ain't it. I've seen it too many times. Car goes into the shop. Yeah, we'll have it done in a few weeks. Few weeks turn into a few months. Few months turn into nobody even knows anymore. Now the car just sitting. Not because the owner gave up, but because they waited on one thing, the interior. And the crazy part is, most people not even trying to build a show car. They just want to pull up to a local meet, park next to a few clean builds, pop the hood, have a drink with their people, and not feel embarrassed when somebody looks inside. You know that feeling. When somebody leans in your car and you low-key hoping they don't look too long. Yeah, that. So now you're stuck with a choice. Either wait months, maybe years, or spend crazy money just to fix one part of the car. But what if you didn't have to do all that? What if you could take something like this and actually turn it into something clean without doing a full reupholstery? Because it's not even just about fixing the seat. It's about that moment when you go from this ain't it to, okay, yeah, now this feels right. That switch right there, that's what people really chasing. So the real question is, can you actually get that result without the wait, without tearing the whole interior apart, and without doing a full rebuild? Let me show you what I mean. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from ExclusiveCoversUSA. We offer custom-fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next-level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. And alright, so now that you've seen that, this is where everything changes. Because this is the part people think is complicated. This is the part they think takes hours, or a whole shop. But watch this. Now I'm lining everything up, making sure it fits exactly how it's supposed to. No guessing, no forcing anything. Everything is made to sit right where it needs to. And this is the part a lot of people mess up. They rush it. But this right here, this is where the clean look comes from. Taking your time, pulling everything tight, making sure every edge is where it needs to be. Because the goal isn't just to cover the seat, it's to make it look like it belongs there, like it came that way from factory. Now watch this part. This is where it starts coming together. You see how it's shaping up now? This is that moment, where it goes from alright to hold on. And once you lock everything in, that's it. No crazy tools, no tearing the whole interior apart. Just a clean transformation. Now look at that. Same seat, completely different feel. This went from something you'd be embarrassed to show to something you actually proud to open the door to. And that's the whole point. Not waiting months, not spending crazy money, just getting your interior back to where it should have been. So next time you look at your seats and think, yeah, this ain't it, just know you've got another option. Now look at that. Same seat, completely different feel. This went from something you'd be embarrassed to open the door to something you're actually proud of. So let me know in the comments, did this make the seat better or worse? And if you want to see what we can do for your car, drop your year, make, and model down below. I'll let you know what we got for it. If you want to see another install like this, click the video on the left. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button on the right. We're doing builds like this all the time. And trust me, this is just the beginning.